Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from debit card to PayPal wallet. For that, first of all, you just have to launch your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and in the search bar you will have to type paypal.com. Afterwards, you need to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your PayPal account. Now once you're successfully logged in and once you see on the home page, you will not be able to see any of the options that would allow you to send or transfer your money from your debit card to your PayPal wallet directly. It is because for some of the reasons PayPal has removed that option. So in this situation, what you can do is you can simply create some other account of yours on some different email, and then from that email you can send the money to your main PayPal account. So you will have to request the money from your main PayPal account. For that, you will have to click on payments in the top. After that, you need to click on send or request payment. Then you need to click on request in the top, and in this section you will have to provide the email address of your second account from which you are going to transfer your money to your main account. After selecting the email, you will have to press next. On the next page, you will have to enter the amount that you want to request, then scroll down and then click on request money. Once done, it will show you that you have requested this much amount of money from this email. Now you will have to open the second email that you have, and as you can see over here that the request will look something like this. Now over here you need to click on pay now, and then you will be redirected in your sign in page. Now over here you need to provide the email address and password of your second account, and you need to follow further on screen instructions in order to complete this payment. Once done, this payment will become in your main PayPal account. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.